Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we're going to be opening up the ice cream beauty bag for September 2023. And I don't think I'm going to be doing a try-on. I've already got my makeup on, but I don't think I'm going to be doing a try-on today because I've seen some spoilers. I know what's in it. And I don't think I'm going to be keeping like most of the makeup. So I'll probably be putting it into a giveaway. What I'm going to do is take what I am going to be keeping. I am going to be getting the Ice Cream Beauty a box. Then we will do a try on with all of that makeup, the makeup I'm keeping in here, and all of the makeup in that one. So it's just going to be an unboxing today and showing you what is all in here. If you're interested to see what is in here, then hang tight because we're getting right into it. So if you don't know about the Ice Cream Beauty Bag, it is a monthly subscription. It is only $12.50 a month. What I pay is $12.50 plus $4 for shipping, so it does come out to $16.50 a month. It also, the Ice Cream brand also has the Ice Cream Beauty Box, which is $25 a month. Sometimes I do get that if I see the spoilers and I know what it's going to be and I know what I want to get. I did get it this month because it is featuring a palette from Gourmand Girls in collaboration with Ice Cream Beauty. So I will be getting that. I know it's on its way, but I probably won't get around to it until I am starting a new job next week. So I am taking the week off for next week, starting on Monday, and I probably won't be back until the next Monday. So I'll probably do an unboxing and try on then. So until then, let's go ahead and open this one. So this is an all indie brand bag. So you get all indie brand makeup. And it does come with a little card, which I do appreciate when they come with cards. And this is for September. And there are 3 items in here, although one item contains 4 items in it. So, yeah. So let's go ahead and talk about the 2 smaller items. First, we have something from Rachel Couture. We actually have 2 things from Rachel Couture. And one is a lip gloss in the shade Sass. I love their packaging. It's really pretty. And let's go ahead and see what this looks like. And ooh, that is pretty. I wonder if it smells like roses, because a lot of their stuff does smell like roses. I am going to keep this. It is very pretty. Let us swatch it. It does smell very florally. It does smell like roses. That is very pretty. Let me try it on too. That is very, very pretty. Let's see. Do I have something to wipe this off? Okay. Makes me wonder, do I have this already? I don't know. I have some Rachel Couture lip things. I should have looked before I opened this up. I know I have a lipstick from Rachel Couture. It's very pretty. It doesn't go with my eye look, but that is very beautiful gloss. I don't think I have a lip gloss from Rachel Couture. I think I just have the lipstick. Very pretty rose color. It's kind of iridescent too. Very nice. Doesn't feel sticky at all. I like that. Okay, cool. We've got that. And then finally, not finally for this, but I finally got a translucent powder from Rachel Couture in the shade Light, because I have a powder from them that is in the shade Medium that is way too dark for me, and it says it's a translucent powder, but I mean, So I'm going to declutter this one and probably start using this one. Let's go ahead and open it up and take the little thing out. This might take a second. Okay, so we have some loose powder here, which I have a lot of loose powder, which is why I'm getting rid of the medium powder because it's just too dark for me. Okay, this doesn't smell. Okay, that's just the powder right there. It might have a light scent to it, but it's nothing too bad. Maybe when I put it all over my face, it will have a strong rose scent to it, but they seem to really like their rose scent at Rachel Couture. And yeah, hopefully that will work out. I will put it in my little organizer here and we'll try it out when I get my Ice Cream Beauty box. So, let's put that here and put this up here. Okay, so the big thing that we have here is from Belle Pierre. And let me give you some prices. The Rachel Couture Sass Lip Gloss is $12, and the Rachel Couture Translucent Powder is $20. This is the Belle Pierre Eye Look Essentials Kit, and Belle Pierre is pretty expensive. Don't ever pay full price for Belle Pierre. I think they have them at TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, things like that where you can get it. This is $50. Did I say that? This retails for $50. In it, why didn't you tell me it had powder on it? In it, we have an eyeshadow palette, a liquid shadow, an eyeliner, and an eye primer, which I will say that Rachel Couture has a really good eye primer. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got here. I'm not going to swatch anything, but I am going to open it up. Again, hold please. Okay, in here you get all 4 things. I just don't need any of this. We have a black eyeliner. It is, what is it? What is it? Crayon eyeliner gel. Crayon eyeliner gel. Okay, does it have a shade name? Not that I see. But that is what it looks like right there. Like I said, I'm not going to open it up. Let's check this liquid shadow and make sure that it looks good. Okay, it doesn't look dried out or anything. Here is the liquid shadow. What is it called? Liquid shadow in Eye Candy. Okay, cool. So that's in kind of a universal color that you see liquid shadows in. Then we have the eye primer, which, like I said, I really do like the Belle Pierre eye primer. It is very nice. Little base there. I still have some somewhere. Probably up in my caddy over there. And then it comes with a little eyeshadow palette, a little quad 4-color eyeshadow palette, and it's called Nude. Let's see here if I can pop it open or if it is. Okay, there we go. And there it is. It has 2 mattes on the bottom here and 2 shimmers up top. Those 2 nudes look a little similar there, though. But it says application. Using an eyeshadow brush. Swirl into desired shade and apply to your eyelids. Okay. I guess, you know, for those who are newbies, maybe you need to read that. Okay, so that is the Belle Pierre Eye Look Essentials in the shade, and it says Nude on here. So I have so many nude palettes. I don't need that one. I don't need this one. And I'm going to put that in an upcoming giveaway. Hopefully, my 1,000 subscriber giveaway soon. So, hopefully, y'all are out there sharing my videos. No pressure. But sharing my videos, getting me new subscribers. I've been stuck at 925 for a while now. I'm hoping to get moving again and get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Yeah, really hoping to do that before the end of this year. That would be awesome. I'm going to put down here the retail value of this bag. I'm going to say it is $82 just by looking at this. So, okay, let me know if you got this bag, if you like the items in it. Are you keeping everything? Let me know if you're getting the box too, if you're excited about getting the box. Did you see the spoilers for the box? All of that good stuff. So, yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, please, like I said, leave me a comment down below. Share this video with your friends if you feel so inclined, but no pressure to do any of that. Just you watching to this point in the video really does help me out because I'm really trying to get my watch hours up as well. So, yeah, yeah, I hope y'all are all having a wonderful, a fantastic day out there today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I'm thinking about you. I'm sending you all of those good vibes. Oh, yeah, thank you so much for watching, whether you are a returning subscriber, a casual viewer, or this is your very first time watching. If that is the case, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. Sorry, I'm doing this all out of order. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there, and I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.